Hey there, tired of that constant dripping sound coming from your faucet? I sure was when I first encountered it in my own home. It's not just annoying, it can actually increase your water bill over time. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix that leaky faucet, quick and easy. No need to call a plumber, grab your tools and let's get started. First things first, you'll need a few basic tools, an adjustable wrench, some plumber's tape, and possibly a flathead or Phillips screwdriver, depending on your faucet type. Got everything? Great. Now before we dive into the deep end, make sure you turn off the water supply to your faucet. This is crucial unless you want a mini indoor fountain, and trust me, you don't. You'll usually find the shut-off valves under the sink. Just twist them clockwise to close. Alright, with the water off, let's focus on the faucet. Most leaks in household faucets are caused by worn-out washers or gaskets. Start by removing the handle of the faucet. You might see a decorative cap on the handle. Pop that off with your flathead screwdriver, and underneath, you'll find a screw that holds the handle in place. Unscrew it, remove the handle, and the real fun begins. With the handle off, you should see a nut. Use your wrench to carefully unscrew this. Underneath that, you'll find the culprit, a worn-out washer. Pull it out and take it with you to your local hardware store to get an exact match. It's important to get the right size to avoid future leaks. Once you have your new washer, it's time to put everything back together. Place the new washer where the old one was, screw the nut back on, attach the handle, and don't forget to replace the decorative cap. Almost done. Now wrap some plumber's tape around the threads of the faucet where the handle screws back on. This helps to prevent any future leaks. Screw everything back into place and then, the moment of truth. Turn the water supply back on and check for leaks. If everything looks good, congratulations. You've just fixed your leaky faucet all by yourself. Not only did you save money on a plumber, but you've also gained some valuable DIY skills that'll come in handy around the house. So next time you hear that dreaded drip, you know exactly what to do. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Until next time, keep those tools ready.